Welcome to TurboExchange Cape Town. We specialize in the refurbishing and repairing of petrol and diesel turbochargers. We believe in quality work, so that's why we've invested in the latest equipment to rebuild our turbochargers back to the highest possible factory specifications. We strive for the highest standards and have a dedicated team with over 20 years of experience in the turbocharger repair industry. At TurboExchange, we carry a wide range of remanufactured turbochargers to minimize the downtime to our clients. We currently have over 500 different units in stock ready to go. We are affiliated with the RMI, and all our remanufactured and new turbochargers comes with a 12-month warranty. So remember, for all your turbocharger needs, please contact us at TurboExchange Cape.